Okay, I think we're on the last insert now. So that was that bit of paper. You might have seen me stamp on it and dip it in stuff when I've done other things. I'm using that and 2 of the journaling cards slightly cut down to fit this envelope. So this is just an envelope, and I thought that's the one that we didn't put anything on, do up, because I've got it in there. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I want that out for a minute. Let's have a look. Am I going to stitch this? I'm not sure. I'll see in a minute. Right, so I'll ink around that. I've inked around the other ones, I think, but not that. So that covers the inside. That's not too bad, actually. That'll do. Okay, yeah, so I've cut it down on the side there, all right, like there. And of course, when that happens, you get that, yeah. But that's all right, because I'm going to stitch around mine. If not, you just stick it down there, all right. Okay. Lovely. Just had to have a little look at it then. Right, what you've got to watch, okay, which I've done this loads of times on mini albums and forgotten. Okay, this is not in the middle of a signature, so I don't need these the same. But what you've got to do is, I usually do that, okay, and that's where you don't glue, all right? And then you just glue down here and there, all right? You leave a space, or else you can't fit anything in the envelope. Yes. Remember doing that? Oh, envelope journals. Gosh. Yes. Remembering not to glue when you were covering this bit. Times I've done it. So that's like that. And then you put the bead of glue. Like that. Just make sure you stick it on the right side. Okay, I'm going to stitch around mine. Yeah, but you don't have to. I mean, you can put a bit of washi tape along there, which can look nice. Yeah, but before I do anything else, I am going to put these on. Actually, yeah, I'll go that way. I'm not making another pocket because that's enough, because you've got 2 there, so you can make it a bit bulky. Okay. Right, I'm gonna have should I have a lip there? No, I'm not gonna keep that square. Right, so now I'm gonna stitch along there and down there and all around here, but don't stitch those bits, because again, I'll stitch the pocket together and around here. There we go. Okay, that's all stitched there. And then we've got a pocket here. Yes. And then one of the journaling cards there. And then we still got this left, which you can, I print in, for this sort of thing, I print them out on paper, because the envelope's quite thick anyway. It's double already, isn't it? So I print them on paper. About 90 GSM. And then I've got that left, which that can be utilised, something else. So that's it. So, all right, let's get the journal. Okay, I've gone ahead and stitched in the signatures and put the tabs on and everything. Again, I'm running short of time because I keep doing different things. That's me. And I'll put that all in the description box. Okay, I've got other tutorials and I'm exactly the same, you know, it's just gone through the spine, but you know, I've done it so that because I'm covering this up anyway. Yeah, so I might show you on the little one if I've got a bit more time. Then what have I done? That's, yeah, I've done that. I've just gone through and placed. These were in that envelope thing, which I thought it ended up a bit too puffy where they were. So I quite like them in these little flip I done with a bit of paper and just stitched around. So that is just going to be an embellishment on there. And I pinned that one in for now. What else did I do? Stuck an envelope there. I mean, I haven't done very much. Added some washi tape. Just sort of started placing things to see where I wanted them. But to be honest, it is sort of decorating now. I mean, I haven't even cut the tags down. Yeah. I'm just sort of placing them. That's a journaling card there, envelope here, which is undecorated, and I thought I'd have a bit of lace on this one to bring that out a bit. But I quite like the way that was looking together there. And then that's the other side of that, where I put that one in there. I just felt as though they were there a little bit, because this is quite chunky, so I thought I'd get thinner pieces of card for in here, or just a piece of paper. Yeah, because you've got quite a lot going on this one. And it was, I mean, it might be different once the whole journal's started to pack out a bit. Yeah. But at the moment, I'm going to leave it as it is and put a bit of paper in. What else did I do? That was it, really. Let's have a look. And you saw me do all the pages there. This, I thought that would look nice on there. Yeah, and then we got big pockets behind to put spare bits of paper in. That's one of the envelopes I put there. I thought blended nicely. That's that there. Yeah, we've got that. Oh, I put a tab there and I didn't like it, so I cut it off, and I actually left that bit because I thought it looked quite good. So, you know, you could hang a little dangle there or something, you know. So there's another pocket there stitched in. That I thought would be belly band, and I cut off this and made that little pocket there out of that one. Yeah, so it's just for a tag or something tiny, you know, it wasn't much, not very big, but I just thought it'd add a bit of interest there. And that's something I've put together because I quite like the look of all that together. And I've got one here, but I think I'm going to move that one and put that somewhere else, because that can go somewhere else. It was just a little collection of bits that I had. I mean, these are from the kit, that one. This was from the book that I used, the herbal book, and that's from the kit. So that was from the herbal book, and I just thought it all looked so lovely together. And we can put that somewhere in the book, maybe near the back. Somewhere like there, perhaps. Just put that all together for a minute. Yeah, so that's all I've done really, just placed a few things around. Do the cards, do the tags. I'll put a diddy one in there. I'll put that one in there. Maybe could do with something else out here, I'm not sure. Oh, and yeah, in the belly band, I might have showed that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get sticking now, and yeah, I made I had a bit Look, hole. I had a bit of glue on it, picked it off, and yeah, took most of the cover off. But I'm not worried about that, because what I'll do later on is show you what I do, because I can either fill in or I can put an embellishment over it to cover it. But I thought I'd leave it and show you. It happens, you know. It's been hanging around a while now, so. Right, I'm going to stick this in now. First. And that was that tag that went wrong, which I ended up actually really liking. So that's going in there. And I got another pocket behind that one. That's just pieces of paper put down and made pockets, you know this. And this is the little embellishment that's going to go on there. Maybe add a few more bits to here, a few plainer bits. Right, I'm going to stick that all down actually, that one, because I've already got a pocket there as well. Come out faster than I thought it was going to. Okay, let's get this on as well. Right, what I'm going to do is just to put little dots of glue around there. And just try and catch some of that. That. And same here. Oops. Yeah, I can press that now. And that. Okay, that's nice and dry. Well, it was dry and I was looking around my desk, you know, and I've got one of the tags from the kit there, and I just put a bit of lace on it, like there. But I never, with, what are they called, staplers, but I actually don't like to see staples, and so I use, this is where these little bits that I made come in handy, because they're dead flat, and all they do is they can go over there. Or what we done recently was some number plates, didn't we? Oh, I've dangled a few things of these. I made these as well from the embossing things I done. What have I got? Let's have a look. Oh, I haven't got one here. Hold on. Or you could put a plate, because I've just done some tags. So, right, done these plates up. There's a tiny one there. You know, something like that could go over it. Okay. Which would be nice. But I'm going to use that today because it's done, and I made loads of them. So I'm going to use them. That I want somewhere in the journal. Glue. So yeah, these are just so flat because I've done these all on paper. All right. So don't bolt things out at all. And then that goes over the staples. Voila. It doesn't really, you know, detract away from the tag. So it might be better if I didn't put quite so much glue on, Andrea. Yeah, I don't mind them on the back because you can't see them. Alright, so that can go in there as well. Oh, let's put that one in there, I think. And, oh, let's do this one. It's one of the tickets. Yeah, I did put too much acetone in. That's nail polish remover. That's what I use to, when it gets a bit sticky, a bit gloggy. What I'll do, I use a bit and then I'll just put some more glue on the top and it'll be fine. Okay, leaving that for a minute. That's done. Just put that tall pocket on that one there. Do you know what? I want a bit of thin lace there, you know, but very, very thin. I don't know whether I've got much of this left. Yep, I'm going to do that one. Okay, yeah, like that. I'll cut that off in a minute. Okay, that's just I'm gonna put some more bits in there too. Some little shorter tags that I might have to, oh yeah, one of those perhaps. Yeah, but they need backing, so that's okay. And I put that one over the page. Yeah, so I need to have a little decoration on this one here. So let's have a look, see what we like. I think we'll use that. That's a nice size. See how easy when it is all, they're all done. Need inking up that envelope and gluing together, but that's it. So I had a pin there. Okay, just in case, a bit of seepage. Yeah, that's the centre. I'm leaving that for a minute, right? Where am I? I'm about there. Right, I'm going to go to the back a minute. Okay, I might have a flip here, actually. Yeah, I'm going to have a flip there of some kind. That's all right. And, oh, let's have, if that's going to go there as a bit of embellishment, I think something brownish or whatever will look nice down there, perhaps. Yeah. Okay. Right, I need to maybe put something on this tag here. Yeah. Let's see if we've got anything that, oh. How about that? Yep. That looks good. That's going to be a tag there. That's got to be backed and everything. Right here is going to put a bit of lace on this bit here. Yeah, I'm going to do it from this side. Right, what have we got? This has just been dipped in coffee and stained. Really, it could do with being ironed, to be honest. Yep, I'm going to go and iron my bits of laces because I definitely want to use that one. It's perfect tone for this. Yep, right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, all nicely ironed. Well, not nicely, but you know what I mean. Okay. I had one. Oh, there it was. One that was a bit flutier. I thought I'd try to do that. And I think because it's grunged up, I'm not going over lacy with this journal at all. You know, it's just going to be dotted around. Let's do that. Yeah, I'll put that in there and we can carry on. Yep. And definitely put something on there. Oh, let's stick this in. Make a pocket, I think, out of that one. Do you want something hanging? Yep, we do. Okay, I'm going to put a bit of lace, I think. Yeah. Okay. Still a bit stiff, actually. All right, we need embellishment of some kind here. That one's a bit bulky. It does go though. No, I'm going to put that in. Okay, that's all right. We're just going to put a bit of lace on that one. I have got one flip. That's all right. because the numbers are going to be upside down now, but I want it that way. I shall cover them up or something. Oh, I was going to stick that on the side of it, so let me do that first. I've just filled my glue up, so that should be all right now. Like that. Again, nice and flat, this one, so let's get it straight. Okay, and this side, I'm going to put some washi tape. Yeah, Tim Holtz, where are you? There we go. Let's have some of that. I think that one's stuck now. Yeah, we can put little tickets in there. Something. I don't know what I've got here at the minute. It might be still damp, so I better not. That's like that. Okay. Got something to go in there. Not at the moment, but ooh. I've got some loads of big tags too to fit in, so I think that looks quite nice there. So that'll be all right for now. Across, not the other way. It's going to be like that, which is good. Right, and I have to hold it up. I know you won't be able to see it if I do this. I have to see, make sure it's straight. Right, and then we could just put a bit of lace at that end. I like to actually pull mine a bit tight, yeah. So, it becomes quite a baggy pocket. That's fine for a minute. Getting all glued up. Right, I've got big tags and everything to go in certain places like this. Got, yeah, and in here. Actually, I've got to use some of this. What I've got left. I might make a tag out of one of those. Oh, I know. I know where I'm going to use that. It's just that I've got that left and it's a bit silly. I've got another bit here. Some bits that I cut out. And I got some little bits, so I thought I'd make some little tags out of those. And that's what I got left. Yep. So I'm going to keep that one square, I think. Which could go in there with a nice envelope or something. And it's going to be a bit baggy in there, but I'll sort that out in a minute. That, yes. Oh, I've got cut the bag envelopes too. Oh, I've got so much stuff here. Oh, I've got that as well. Oh, do you know what? That's got to be made into a tag there, hasn't it? Am I talking to myself? I've got one of these too. That would be nice somewhere. That's the one I cut off, look. Right, I'm going to put that there. I'm just thinking that will be good in there because that's nice and tall, look. Yeah. Nice. Let's make a little booklet out of that. There. We got some bits to go in there. Nice big tag under there. And what we got here? Oops, sorry folks. There we go, look at that. That's good. That matches that. And might have to make these into, look at that. That's not too bad though. No. And let's put this on. Ink all that up after, and sometimes I put some of this there as well. I'm just gonna get that stuck down. Journaling card or something here. Can't see that one. Decoration. We might have a belly band here. Let's have a look. Yeah. I think I need a belly band there. What did I do on that one? Sorry, I'm just wondering. Yep. Right, I'm going to put a bit of fuzzies there and there first. There's some bits, that's all. So I can trim it down after. Like that. That's a bit too raggedy, that one. Look. Yeah, I'm well stuck up today. Okay. Need more room, folks. Is it that one? No. Now, there we are. I thought I'd lost it for a minute. Okay. So I'm not sure whether to put a bit of lace this side as well, you know. Sorry folks, because it does look a bit odd without lace that side as well. If I've got any more of that left, I hope so. I should do, you know. I might have used it all. Oh, here we go. So I won't be able to stick this in now for a minute. Actually, I'm going to rip some of this off. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, I'm afraid, before I put that in. Right, all nice and dry. Oh, it wasn't going there, was it? See, nearly stuck it in the wrong place. Right, let's look, make sure that's straightish, really. Put that in, leave it alone. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so that would go nice there, and then it could be a little tuck spot. So I'm going to stick that in. Right, let's do something here. I've got glare now, haven't we? That's that pocket there. I was going to make this into a pocket because it's just hanging around, and I thought that will most probably like extend it a little bit. That might look nice through the window. Like that. I'm going to cut it down a bit, or let's have a look. So it's a better shape. Yep, I'm just going to go and square all that off. Okay, that's all squared off, and I'm just going to stamp around a bit. Okay, right, let's see what we got here. Leave that. I need a bit of paper. Oh, okay. Do some of that somewhere. Okay, Right, that's going to be the top of the pocket. I think I'm going to ruche some of this at the top there. Yep, I am. I'm going to go and do that actually. Okay, I've decided to put it at the bottom because I thought I haven't got a lot hanging down here. Yeah, so I decided to put that down there instead. Right, are we going to have a skinny? Yeah, I'm going to actually glue this all down except for the top. So okay, sorry, just need to extend that, and I might as well do that while that's drying. Actually, I'm going to use that one, I think. So I'm going to stick this onto a slightly bigger piece of card and then stitch around this and make it look like it's supposed to be like that. File folder, anything really. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to ink that up a little bit and maybe do a bit of stamping just to sort of blend it all in together, really, just around the edges. That's the Tim Holtz stamp, that one. It comes with other things as well. Oh, look. Ink around the edges of that. Yeah, that's all right. Yep. It's going to be glued down. And then I'm going to stitch around mine. And then I'm going to ink up. I might do that now. Okay, that's all done. So I'm going to put a bit of this at the top and staple it on like I did before, the other one, and then put something on the top of it. I did keep everything out, yes. So I want that a little bit rougher this side as well. So just trying to pull a few strands. There we go. If that's a bit long, I will cut it off. I think it is. So we can cover that. Oops. That was good, wasn't it? Totally missing the back one. Let's do that one again. Yeah. Okay, where's my little box of tricks? I want a diddy one. Hopefully we got some left. Oh, so got that. Number 3. No, I still think that's a bit big. If not, I'll have to. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Now you can see these little diddy ones come in handy. Instant embellishment. Right, let's get the journal. Oh, it's quite good actually, putting that on the top. That, oh, didn't stick that down very well, did I? Let's have a look first. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I can leave that out. And re-stick this a bit. Yeah, I think I messed it up when I was trying to fit the other tag in to see the size. So I'll do, and pin that there. And we carry on.